Hi everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So in today's tutorial, we'll be making this beautiful Merry Christmas card for coming Christmas. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the new videos I post almost every week. So the first thing we'll take is a glitter paper. We'll be taking red color and silver color glitter paper. First trace the shoes, and we required 3 of them. Now trace the rectangle shape, and we need 3 of them as well. Now take a stick and stick it on the card with the help of hot glue gun. And start assembling them all together. Now to make the stick silver, I am using this nail polish. This is a silver nail polish. And if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.